for calling East York Walmart. How may I direct your call?
Hello, this is Walmart on East Market Street.
This is it. Yes, it is.
Okay, I have a complaint because I bought some setup thing and there was a fly in it.
You bought what?
A setup. And then I bought a couple drugs like for my throat because it's sore. And then it started burning. It was like chili pepper. So I don't I can't breathe right now.
Let me get your manager, please. Hold on.
I'm dying. Come on, quicker. Oh, my head's sore now. Oh,
Hello?
hello.
Yes?
I think I have a fever now. Hello?
Yes? It sounds like maybe you should call your doctor.
But
This is Walmart.
but you gave me the drugs for my throat and it made it worse.
Hold on, please.
Hey! Hold on and then you hang up. Cool. Awesome.